Welcome back, YouTube. Before I begin this video, I really want to thank each and every single last one who have subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot. As I mentioned earlier this year, we were only at 10K and now we're over 50K subscribers and our community is growing, and I do appreciate each and every single last one of you guys. I'll try my best to respond to everybody as quick as I possibly can. But until then, I really want to share with you what I picked up from the grocery store. So let's go and see what's in my package. Have some organic ground turkey. This isn't organic, but I'm going to make Philly cheesesteaks with this. What else? I have ribeye steak, chicken thighs, Dover sole. So I like to mix a variety of different meats. I don't stick to just one specific meat family group, but predominantly I do consume a lot of poultry and turkey because it's easier for the digestive system. And a lot of times people are like nowadays it seems like everybody think that meat is going to make you fat. Meat doesn't make you fat. Not eating balanced make you fat. Organic brown noodles, brown rice noodles and quinoa. This is a better alternative, only simply because I don't like wheat noodles and these taste like regular noodles. So I like cheese. I haven't given that up yet, so organic cheese. I love dill for my salads. I don't consume cow milk, so what we do consume is almond milk. So that's it. Sunflower oil, a better oil to cook in high heat. I've been craving sparkling water lately, so sparkling water for those moments where I'm craving ginger ale or soda. This is it. Nonstick spray. All the pans that I cook out of, I use stainless steel, so to prevent my food from sticking on the pan. Nonstick spray. This is a marinara sauce. I love marinara sauce. Some onion salt to season my foods with. Coconut oil. Got to have coconut oil. Ground black pepper. Some more season. Organic baby spinach. Parsley, so I can season my meats with. It gives the meat a lot of flavor, and as a tradition, we use this in traditional Haitian spices along with garlic and a lot of great stuff. Bell peppers, green. These are amazing if I'm making a Western omelet, or if I want to make a Philly cheesesteak like I mentioned earlier. Use my organic tomatoes, whole cashews, organic red potatoes. These are a better potato to consume. This is one of the reasons why I like to purchase organic red potatoes, and Idaho makes the best potatoes, so it's really good. Some red onions. Some cage-free eggs. I go with the cage-free eggs. A long time ago I used to purchase white eggs, but I noticed that they started to taste a little funny to me. And since I've switched over to regular, like cage-free eggs or organic eggs, I haven't experienced that at all, so. Cage-free, and that's it. That's everything that I have picked up from the grocery store, and that today these are. So I took the shaved beef out of the packet so I can make some Philly cheesesteaks. This is very easy, a quick recipe. I'm just gonna add some salt. Of course, I everything at this point. Add some salt on top. Not too much, because the meat is very thin. Some pepper. And where's my onion salt? And some onion salt. This is, I can be generous with this because this onion salt isn't salty at all. All right. Mix everything together. All right. Quick and easy to make. Nonstick spray. Add your bell peppers. Allow this to cook. Cook. 30 seconds to a minute. Not really. I'm happy. This is it. Now I'm going to prepare it. Normally I would like this on a Ezekiel wrap, but since I don't have an Ezekiel wrap, I'm going to do regular Ezekiel wrap. Toast that in the oven. Got the Ezekiel bread. Gonna add some tomatoes. Okay. Simple ingredients. I don't like to add a lot of condiments to my sandwiches because I feel like it kills the taste of the meat. As long as your meat is well flavored, you don't need a lot of fancy stuff in your sandwich. So I'm gonna add 1 slice of this cheese that I have here. I normally don't add tomatoes to my Philly cheesesteak, but today I feel like adding a tomato. All right. People who are from Philly, this is not an authentic Philly cheesesteak, but all this is just cheese and steak. Put the cheese on there. Gonna add some hot sauce on mine. And that's pretty much it. That's it. How you want it. That's it. That's my cheesesteak sandwich. That's it. Oh. You have to see your face.
Good.
Okay. You take a bite.
Why if I can't eat the sandwich cold?
Can't even eat the sandwich cold.
Can't eat the sandwich cold.
It's falling apart because I didn't cut the tomato off. Let me take a bite of this. See what this tastes like.
Yeah, I be trying to get it perfect, dog.